Sebastian, my name is Candace, and I met your mommy in high school. And the few things that I will always remember about your mom is how good she was at drawing. She was really, really good at drawing, and I hope that she's still drawing now. Another thing that I remember about your mom is how comfortable she made everybody feel and how much fun she was. She was a really fun girl. This is my daughter, Gracie. Say hi.
Hi.
I'm going to teach you the alphabet today, and I'm going to teach you the sounds that the letters make and some actions that go along with them. And maybe Gracie will help me. Yeah? Okay. The first letter I'm going to teach you is the letter S. S sounds like S. And the action that we do for S is S like a snake. S. The next letter I'm going to teach you is the letter A. A sounds like ah. And we do because we say ants are crawling up our arms. The next letter is T. T. And that's because it's a tennis ball going back and forth on the court. T. The next letter is the letter, wait a minute, I. And I sounds like eh. What am I doing that for? Well, we pretend that there's a mouse called Inky, and the mouse named Inky goes eh. That's his whiskers. The next letter I will teach you is the letter P. And P is p. And I can't remember the action for P.
Painting.
Painting. Oh, for painting. Good one, Gracie. Thank you. The next one is N. And N sounds like like an airplane. An airplane makes the sound when it's flying. The next two sounds, they kind of go together, and they're kind of tricky. So the first one is C, and C sounds like cup. The next one is K, and K also sounds like cup. And the action for these two letters, C and K, are cup. And the reason we do that is because we say they're castanets. So we have C and K. Next letter, E. Oh, sorry. No, E. Like we're cracking open an egg. E. Next letter, H. H sounds like... Why do we do that? Why do we do that? We have to have a reason. That's what Mommy does. I go, and it's the sound that we make when we want to feel our breath if it's really cold. H. The next letter is R. This is my favorite one because it goes like this. And we do that because the dogs make a sound like ruff. R. The next letter, oopsies, is M. M sounds like and I go yummy in my tummy. M. The next letter is D. Gracie has one for this one. D is for
dancing.
Get in front of the camera. Dancing. Okay? D, dancing. Or you could do D for drumming. G. G sounds like g, and we say gurgle down the drain. So the water is going down the drain, and when it goes down the drain, it goes g. G. Next one, O. And I go off, on for a light switch. Off, on. By the time you grow up, we'll probably do something different for a light switch, but for now, that's what we did. The next one is U. U sounds like and we do this. Umbrella. Umbrella. The next one is L. L. L sounds like L. And we do licking a lollipop. L. L. The next letter is F. F is for a fish, an inflatable fish. You go F. The next one is B. B for bat, or we could do bat the ball. B. So we go B for bat the ball. B. The next one is J. I like J too. J sounds like j. We go j. We jiggle. J. The next one is Z or Z, and it sounds like Z. And I go Z. I'm a buzzing bee. The next one is W. Like wind. Wind. W.
Wind.
The next one, V. Driving a van. Or a vehicle. V. The next one, Y. Yeah. We're eating yogurt. Yeah. Y. Next one, X. This is a tricky one. We're taking X-rays. X. The last one is very hard. Okay, are you ready? Q. Looks like an O, but it has a line through the bottom. Q. Sounds like quack, 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 quack. And we're a duck. When we go quack, 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 quack.
Quack.
Q. That's your alphabet, Sebastian. Maybe Gracie and I will sing you an alphabet song. The reason I showed you those letters in that order is because that's the order that they appear most in words. So now Gracie and I are going to sing the alphabet for you, the alphabet song. You ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Bye, Sebastian. I hope you had fun.